Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the multiplicative inverse of a number. This question is from class 8 exercise 1.1 and the question is question 4. So here before starting the question we will first learn what is multiplicative inverse of a number. Let's have a number A and we need to find the multiplicative inverse of a number. To find the multiplicative inverse of a number, we have to multiply this number by such a number whose product with the number will make it equal to 1. So if we multiply the number with its reciprocal, the result will be 1. So this number by which we multiply the number is the multiplicative inverse of a number. So to find the multiplicative inverse of a number, we just need to take the reciprocal of the number. So this is the multiplicative inverse of a number. So let us now find the multiplicative inverse of these numbers. For the first part is minus 13. So we need to find the multiplicative inverse of minus 13. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 will be 1 upon minus 13. We just need to take the reciprocal of the number. So 1 upon minus 1 upon 13. To check for the multiplicative inverse, let us multiply and check the number. If we'll get 1 by multiplying it by minus 1 by 13, then minus 1 by 13 is the multiplicative inverse. Let's check it. So minus 13 times 1 upon 13, which is negative. So here we see that 13 and 13 gets cancelled and minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. So we are getting 1. That means minus 1 by 13 is the multiplicative inverse of the number. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is minus 1 by 13. Let's find the second one, which is minus 13 upon 19. So here too we are going to take the reciprocal of this number. So reciprocal is, to find the reciprocal we just need to change the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So reciprocal will be 19 upon minus 13. So this will be the multiplicative inverse. Let's check it. Minus 13 upon 19 times 19 upon minus 13. This whole thing will be cancelled and we'll get 1. So that multiplicative inverse is 19 upon minus 13. The next part is 1 upon 5. So the reciprocal of 1 upon 5 will be, to find the reciprocal, change this numerator to denominator. So that's 1 and denominator is 5. So denominator will come to numerator, which is 5. So the reciprocal will be 5. Reciprocal of 1 upon 5 is 5. This should be our multiplicative inverse. Let's check. So 1 upon 5 times 5 upon 1 is equal to 1. Because this 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So we'll get 1. So multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 5 is 5. Let's find the next part, which is minus 5 upon 8 times minus 3 upon 7. Now here we have a complex term where two fractions are getting multiplied. So before finding the multiplicative inverse of this fraction, we have to we'll multiply the fraction and we'll get a single fraction. Just 5 times minus 3 is 15 and 8 times 7 is 56. So now we are going to find the multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 56. To find the multiplicative inverse, we are going to take the reciprocal of this number or fraction. So reciprocal is the numerator to denominator. So numerator is 15, it will be in the denominator, and denominator is 56, which will be in the numerator. So 56 upon 15 will be the reciprocal of this number. And let's check by multiplying it by the original number, which is 15 upon 56. So 15 upon 56 times 56 upon 15 equals 1. So hence this is the multiplicative inverse of the number. So multiplicative inverse will be 56 upon 15. Fifth one is minus 1 times minus 2 upon 5. So here too we are going to first multiply the two numbers and then we'll find the multiplicative inverse. So simplify it. So minus 1 times minus 2 is 2 and 5 times 1 is 5. So 2 upon 5. Now we are going to find the reciprocal of 2 upon 5, which is 5 upon 2. Let's check. 2 upon 5 times 5 upon 2 equals 1. Hence, this is the multiplicative inverse of the number. So multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2. Let's do the next part. It is minus 1. To find the reciprocal of minus 1, we are going to change this numerator, which is minus 1, to denominator, and denominator of minus 1 is 1, so numerator will be 1. So the reciprocal of minus 1 is 1 upon minus 1. Let's multiply the 2. Minus 1 times 1 upon minus 1. These two gets cancelled and we'll get 1. So this is the multiplicative inverse of the number. So multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is 1 upon minus 1, which is minus 1. So this is how we find the multiplicative inverse of any number, by finding the reciprocal of the number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.